How to put two photos side by side on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can put two photos side by side on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is locate an app called Shortcuts. This one right here. Tap on it. After you open up your shortcuts, you'll find three options at the bottom. You'll need to head over to the third one, that's Gallery. And on the search bar, search for grid. After you search for grid, you'll see the photo grid. Tap on the plus icon on the top right here, and it should get added. There you can see. So head over to shortcuts now, and you will see photo grid option. Tap on photo grid, and that will open up your photos. You can select two photos, then tap on add. And now this will give me two photos side by side. After it gives you the photo, you can tap on the share icon on the bottom left and save the image. And now you can find it in your gallery. And that's how you put two photos side by side on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe.